Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character mu step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then follow in one word and one sentence. Let's write mu. Item, list, title. For example, 目录 目录 catalogue, table of contents. Now check this sentence. Can I have your product catalog? Can I have your product catalog?可以给我一份你们产品目录吗？给我一份你们产品目录吗？可以给我一份你们产品目录吗？ Can I have your product catalog? 可以给我一份你们产品目录吗？ Can I have your product catalog? 可以给我一份你们产品目录吗？ Mu in cursive. Mu. Item, list, title. 目录 catalog, table of contents. Can I have your product catalog? 可以给我一份你们产品目录吗？目 Please comment any words or sentence with the character mu. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.